Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to show recycle bin folder and file explorer on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it's really quite simple to do. So the first things that we're going to do is to open file explorer options. So here in our taskbar, then we need to open this file explorer and then click. Then I'll just open up this file explorer here in our taskbar. And then you can see that I don't have the recycle bin folder here at left side navigation pane. And then you cannot see this recycle bin folder. Alright, on how to show this recycle bin folder here. So all you have to do is to right click on empty space area here. So you can see this empty space or right here or in the middle or in the top. Then you can do this right click. Okay, you do right click from here and then you can see this option that show the species, show network, show libraries, and then show all folders or expand to current folder. And then you need to select this option, show all folders, and then click. And then once you select that option settings, and now you can see all those folder at left side navigation pane. And then we need to find locate this recycle bin folder. Alright, so we can see now this recycle bin folders. So this recycle bin folders also you can do for right click, and also you can open a new tab, new window, or you can pin to quick access, pin to start menu, and also you can view these properties. And now you can see this recycle bin here and file explorers. Alright, so that's a simple things to do here in file explorer. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows settings guide on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.